Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Highway to Hell on acoustic guitar. This iconic rock anthem is surprisingly accessible for beginners. We'll break down the main riff, explore the verse and chorus chord progressions, and discuss effective strumming techniques. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation to rock out this classic tune on your acoustic instrument, making it sound great with just a few simple chords. The heart of Highway to Hell lies in its powerful main riff, built around three fundamental open chords, a major, D major, and G major. Begin with the A chord, then transition smoothly to D, and finally to G. Practice a consistent down-up strumming pattern. Focus on making each chord change clean and precise. Mastering these three chords and their transitions is crucial for capturing the song's energy. For the verses, you'll primarily alternate between the A and D major chords, creating that driving, rhythmic feel. When the chorus hits, the G major chord becomes more prominent, adding a powerful lift. Pay close attention to the timing of these changes. Listen to the original recording to internalize the song's structure and feel, ensuring your acoustic rendition captures its raw energy and spirit. To truly bring Highway to Hell to life on your acoustic, focus on your strumming dynamics. Use a strong, emphasized downstroke on the first and third beats of each measure. Vary your strumming intensity to create contrast between sections, making the song more engaging. Keep your strumming wrist loose and relaxed for fluidity. Practice slowly at first, gradually increasing your speed as your muscle memory develops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.